Okay, boys, 400-meter dash, 9 and 10. Jack Lucas from Leawood, Kansas in 1. Richie Ammons from Hanover, New Hampshire. Ethan Peterson's from Bountiful, Utah. Micaiah Ellis from Scarborough, Ontario. Dylan Mack is from DeKalb County, Georgia. That's Ellis there. Here's Mack coming. There's Mack right there. Miguel Pantojas from Bayamon, Puerto Rico. Then Bayamon. Jaden Watson from Nanaimo, British Columbia. And Jaden Williams from Jamaica, Queens on the outside. All right. 9 and 10-year-old boys. Go out fast and pick it up.
Go out slow and pick it up.
Go out medium. Go out medium.
Yes.
Size up the competition and kick it in. This is far. These are 9 and 10-year-olds. This is far.
Yeah, looks like a great start for lane 5 out there. Dylan Mack from DeKalb County, Georgia in the orange.
He's out. And, somebody in the red uniform. That's got to be Micaiah Scarborough, Ellis from Scarborough in the red.
Nice long stride. Looks like he's just cruising down the back straight.
He does.
That's how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah, but Mack's going with him. Stalking him. Got him right where he wants him.
And on the inside in lane 3, Ethan Peterson from Utah got his sights set on the leaders as well. Let's see what kind of finish he has.
Look at this. Here's the race of the day right here.
3 abreast with 100 meters to go. Peterson, Ellis, and Mack. Who's got the strength to bring it home?
It's going to be Dylan Mack. Maybe. Yes, Mack, Ellis, and Peterson. What a race. 105-1. Nice race. 3 guys, different strategies. And they all ran great. It was Mack out early, and then Ellis caught him, but Max went with him and looked like he was sitting, waiting.
Well, we talk about how difficult it is for some of these young kids to figure out the strategy of the 400 meters, but it was Dylan Mack out early. Micaiah Ellis made a move with about 200 meters to go, and it looked like Ethan Peterson from Utah was going to creep up on the inside, but it was your leader from the beginning, Dylan Mack, who comes away with a big victory and brings Georgia home a championship.
There were 3 different guys that were going to win that race. Oh, my goodness. That was great.